Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Zalo app. We need to update our application from time to time to be able to use the latest features available. I will show you all the steps on how to update your app. Let's head to the Play Store. When you open Play Store, tap on search icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. When you tap on it, a search bar will appear on top of the screen. Tap on the search bar and type Zalo. When you find the app, tap it open. If there is an updated version of the application available, then you can see here update instead of open. You just simply have to tap on the update and the installation and update will begin automatically. But if you cannot see the update option and see open instead, then that means your app is already up to date, so you don't have to do anything. Updating an app is really easy process and I hope this video helped you to understand that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.